Hey everyone, how we doing? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are bringing you a special 50p coin, and this one is a basketball Olympics coin as far as I'm aware. So if this is something that interests you, please stay tuned and let's do this. So today we are looking at a 50p piece from the UK, which is a basketball coin on the reverse. I'll show you obviously the front first. So this is, again, as all 50p coins mostly have, is Queen Elizabeth in the second, on this coin. Again, she's wearing her crown. And I do apologise everyone, this coin is not the best as usual, but you can still kind of see what's going on. Yeah, apart from that, it's not much different to most other ones. And the date on this one is 2011. So that means it's about 15 years oldish. Yeah, so it's been out for quite some time considering then. But as far as I'm aware, this coin is still in circulation. It can be spent if you wanted to. But I'd imagine because it's an Olympic coin that most people would probably want to hold on to it. I don't think there's any value to it or anything like that. It's just one of them coins that, you know, if you're a collector, that it's good to have one at least in your collection. But the only thing I can see that's different maybe is the writing around the edges. Some of the 50p you see Queen Elizabeth's name's on the right, and some of them you see, like this one, her name's on the left, so it's weird. I don't know if that makes a difference or anything, but it definitely does happen. And I noticed there at the bottom of her neck, everyone, if you can see what that is, I can't make it out, it's so small. It could be dirt maybe. No, it's definitely something, but I can't make it out, so small. But if you know what that is, everyone, I do see that now and again. Must look out for that a bit more. But if you know what that is, please let us know, because I have no idea. No further ado, we will turn the coin over and we'll show the reverse side. Right then everyone, we're back. And here we have it. So this is obviously a basketball court by the looks of it, printed on the floor of the coin. And then obviously someone famous, that's obviously got the guy with the basketball in his hand. I got no idea who it could be. It could be anyone from Michael Jordan to Devin Booker, anyone. I got no idea. So if you're a fan of basketball, please let us know down below what team you support. I'm a Phoenix Suns fan myself. I do like basketball. Devin Booker, definitely one of my favourite players out there. So yeah, if you are into basketball, this is definitely one of them coins you'd like to have as well. But yeah, I mean, I'm not really sure why it was minted or what the reasons for. Obviously it's the Olympics, but who it's meant to represent or whatnot, I really couldn't tell you, but at the top there, just by the guy's hand, is the Olympic symbol, I think, if you can make it out. And then obviously down below it says 50 pence. So yeah, it's definitely a good kind to have in your collection. And the guy looks like he's just about to do some sort of a slam dunk, I guess, if you're in that part of the world. But yeah, it looks like he's about to do a good slam dunk on the hoop. Other than that, this is one of our UK coins that is out there. As I say, it can be spent if you want to, but I very much doubt people would let this go, even though it's not worth anything. But it's definitely worth keeping in your collection. Yeah, apart from that, again, this is just another one of the many 50 pence coins that I'm going to show over time. And hopefully if the channel grows, and I will be going out and buying expensive 50 pence coins, the ones that are worth some money. If the channel grows, and I will buy and show whatever, and giveaways, because anything I buy I will start giving away. I won't keep them. Anyone who subscribes or leaves comments or whatever and it works out well, I'll just give coins away that I buy. So yeah, this is it, everyone. Hopefully this is a coin that you might obviously must have seen somewhere along the line. So yeah, this is it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for many more coins to come. So thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you soon.